episode of Let's Solve Mathematics. Today we'll be looking at circle geometry. And briefly I'll be explaining, as a way of introduction, the fourth theorem of circle geometry. Now, the first theorem of circle geometry states that the angle that an arc of a circle sustains at center is double at any point of the circumference. This means that we have a circle this way, and you have an angle in the middle and at the circumference. The one at the middle is twice the one at circumference. It means that this x here is equal to twice the angle at circumference. That is 2 times y. And this also means, if we have another diagram like this, and we have an angle at center O, and this is A, for instance, and this is B. A here is twice, that's 2 times the angle at circumference. And the second theorem says angles in the same segment are equal. This means if we have a circle this way and we have an angle like this, we have an angle like this, and there's an angle here, there's an angle here, and there's an angle here. It means that the one here, x for instance, y and z, are all equal because they are in the larger part of the circle. So with this, you can see this x is equal to y and y is equal to z. That's the meaning of this theorem. And you can have a diagram like this, small, means if we have an angle here and we have an angle here, this one could be A and this could be B. It means that this A is the same thing as B. That's the meaning of the second segment, the second theorem. Now the third theorem says the angles in a semicircle is a right angle, that is angle 90. This means that if you have a circle and a line cuts the circle in two, any angle that is formed at the circumference is angle 90. That means if here is the center of the circle, we have 0 here. It means that this angle formed here is angle 90. That's right angle. So that's the third theorem. And the fourth theorem states, so if this is line AB, for instance, and this is x. So if we have AX B, that the angle at x is equal to 90 degrees. That's the meaning of the third theorem. And the fourth theorem says angles in opposite segments are supplementary. That is, the sum of the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral is 180. It means that if we have a circle and inside the circle we have a quadrilateral, a 4-angled shape. What the fourth theorem says is, if here is x and here is y and here is A, for instance, and here is B, saying that the addition of x plus y is equal to 180, and the addition of a and b is equal to 180. That's the fourth theorem. That is, the sum of opposite angles in a quadrilateral is equal to 180, and the four of them is equal to 360, which is the total angle of a circle. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode.